Okay, we've sanded it down, we've gone in and we've touched up spots where we needed to touch up. Then went back out and resanded it. We're going to wipe it down and then we'll be ready to start to paint it. Want to make sure we get all the dust off of it. We've already done our feet and our hands, and you can see how I make feet and hands on our earlier videos that I've posted. Here's our hands. I'm going to make sure we get all the dust off of it. Then I'm just going to use a white for a base paint. And we're going to paint it down. Then we'll take some 220 grit sandpaper, lightly sand that down, and then give it another coat. And then hopefully at that point we'll be ready to start adding our color. We'll paint our head also. So we'll just continue on, get this all painted, let it set and dry good. Then we'll sand it down, put on another coat, and then we'll move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I would appreciate that. And we'll finish this and then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.